Now we're going. It wasn't going before.
There we go.
Yeah.
So change character?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Act like we know what we're talking about.
Fuck. Hello, this is James. What's going on, boys? We are back. Got a couple of the boys with me. Uncle Trent and Cody. We're going to check out a little spot that Laurie from the Saunders Beach Bistro put us onto. So cheers, mate. I won't say cheers just yet in case there's nothing here, so we'll get into it. All right, I'm ready to go. We're at the spot using these little beauties. I hate soft plastics, but we'll give it a go. So see tide's coming in here.
Yeah.
Water's pushing past, there's a sandbar there. So there's quiet water here. That's what we're after.
Where they be? Right on top of you, yeah?
Yep. I'm gonna have mad wind noise, I just realised that.
Change the camera.
I should. I'll just use this as a bit of B-roll for a while. Just slow roll. Hello, this is James.
I reckon you missed them by about 40 minutes.
Really? Spewing.
But big friggin' crop come up there.
Oh, really?
A lot bigger than this.
True.
They come and had a good look at us.
Yeah, right. No pressure, mate. Camera's on.
Yeah, fucking annoying it is filming the phone.
Yeah.
Sucks. My other camera was so, because you had the big hoop, you can hoop around your shoulder and still do something.
Yeah.
This thing you're like trying to find something to rest it on. But these go 4K, eh? Check this out. Look how smooth that is.
Oh, yeah.
That would have been nice enough to hit these shelves this morning, mate.
Yeah.
With this run. It's dropping right out, eh?
Yeah, this week.
Wednesday'd be beautiful.
Yeah.
What do you get your truck ready to go?
Yeah, it's getting a service today.
Back to work.
Yeah. I'm not running.
I'm not running.
Apparently there's a big jack over here. Go and see if we can get it. Laurie's young fella just spotted it. You can see your lure swimming the whole time, eh?
In the old friggin'
Yeah, Polaroid.
seen the sunnies. Look at feet.
Fuck, it's gushing, eh?
Oh yeah, it's ripping through here.
Yeah.
It always is. Normally in that backwater up there, you get a decent one.
Yeah.
That tree. And around here, you always get a good one.
Well, I reckon we might have stuffed up with this tide. It is gushing. I think it's a good spot, but even the backwater's a bit too fierce. Does look good for crabbing. Laurie said there's a big croc in there that come up to the boat before. It's bigger than his boat. He reckons about 4 meters, so that fella's probably going to come back out with the tide, so I don't want to be in the water for that. But yeah, bit of scouting homework done today. See what happens. Today was a failure, but every day outside is a good day. So there you go. Catch you later. Fuck it, I'm over it.
Back to the reef?
Yeah. Not interested. So neither am I.
Do the hand slap.